Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's video, we are working on another head app qualification, and this time it is add is the web page useful TALB English version. This one is available in CW, so I'm guessing it is going to be available to other vendors as well. So let's jump into the quality. There is no guideline for this. I am going to show you the thought process on how to judge this particular head app for you to pass. We need to finish about 15 heads for us to qualify. Let's go ahead and jump into the head. Let's go to the user query. Who caters Christmas dinner Portland? Compare free quotes from best local caterers now. I'm going to go here with no. Yep, oh, got it right. Oh, sorry, we got it wrong. Please take care of this one. The user is looking for a service or restaurant that allows you to order your holiday dinner ready-made. The page does exactly answer the search. Okay, we got one mistake already. Guy LaRoche or LaRoche. I am going to go with no here, definitely. Search shows that many top results for the brand are specific to perfume. Okay, two mistakes, guys. Moving on is MGM Las Vegas Hotel Casino. That'll be a yes for me. 7x7 Rubbermaid Shed. Small design proof. What's the Rubbermaid Shed? Okay, this is going to be a yes for me. Moving on is T-shirts men. Definitely a yes as well. Chase credit card. Let's see. If the web page does not load, okay, you can click on reload web page. It'll open the page on a different window. But anyways, this one is a yes as well. MBI baseball or MBL baseball. That goes to yes. I mean, that is a yes for me. Science diet. Hill's science diet. That's definitely yes for me. Moving on to the next is quickloans.com. Get a free savings estimate today. See how quickly you can be debt free. That's a no for me. Jackie Lawson, that's definitely a yes. Now, Disney World Dolphin Hotel, I am going to go with yes here. Moving on is our IRA distributions considered income. Open an IRA in 15 minutes. I'm going to go with yes here, I guess. It's a wild guess. Good thing we got it right. Security awareness training. Let me close this out. I am going to go with yes here as well. Oh, it's a no. 3 mistakes, guys. I'm not sure if we are going to pass this. Peripheral arterial disease and mini stroke symptoms, TIA. Painful inside the veins. I'm gonna go with yes here, I think. No, 4 mistakes, guys. I'm not sure if we are going to pass it. I'm not being careful here. Hallmark, enclosed trailers, blue book. I'll reload the page here. Value plus. I'm in a hurry. But if those error messages that we got, you guys can get a screenshot of them or take note of the query so that once you take the quality, you'll be able to avoid it. I am gonna go with other here. Yeah. It's supposed to be no, the page does not load. I'm not sure if it's an internet connectivity issue. Men's cotton pull over hoodie. I'm gonna pull that up on a different tab. It's taking a while to load. Colombia. This is not a hoodie. I'm gonna go with yes here. Well, I'm gonna go with no. I'm not sure if I'm right, but if we fail, we have another attempt. The video will be too long. It's submitting. It's taking a while to load. By the way, guys, you can find us on Facebook. Our group name is CLICKWORKER Philippines and Ghostly Headers. For you to be able to join the group, you have to subscribe to this tutorial channel, hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. That's one purpose. The other one, you have to answer the membership questions. I am going to go ahead and, okay, agree. I think we have 5 mistakes already. I doubt we are, okay, well, we passed the qualification for a head called, is the web page useful, TALP English. I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. Again, my name is Ghost. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. Thank you all for your continued support. See you on the next upload. Bye.